What up, guys? Thanks for tuning back in. I know it's been a while since I uploaded. Been busy with life stuff again. I'm filming this as of December 2nd. So, COVID happened again. And I know there's been people asking for more content. I really appreciate the feedback. I mean, it means the world. I did this for fun, and it's kind of cool that people actually enjoy seeing the content, which is really nice to me. I'm all doing this from iPhone, maybe even the GoPro I have. But one thing that I really want to do is I ordered a lot from Black Friday. I ordered from Hybrid Racing since the EP needs a lot of modification parts, and I know they really make good parts. So I bought 3 things. I got the box that literally just came right now. See, there's a little Hybrid Racing tape, but it just came right now. So I'm gonna dive in. I'm gonna pull out the items. We'll go one by one, start from smallest to biggest, I guess. So I bought one of their new shift knobs. There's the part number. This was a new shift knob. It's called the 130R Performance Shift Knob. I got it in the black because, let's face it, at least black, you can't tell it's dirty. 2, I already have their Maxim. I didn't want to get one. Titanium. It was a little expensive for, a shift knob in my eyes, but I mean, if you love titanium, I'll go for it. But I got the Delrin, so let's see how this looks. Also, their boxing's different. They used to just come in a white box with the part number and a little printed on sleeve. This time they actually have a tape that says Hybrid Racing, and the box is printed on. So kudos to them for upgrading. I know they got a new warehouse, so that's pretty cool. I dropped some of the stickers they come with. So I'll show you how it looks inside the box. I'm pretty sure everyone's ordered a shift knob before, but I always like how their presentation is. I like the teardrop design. Looks pretty sick. It's got their little logo on there, Hybrid Racing, and then the name of the knob. For those that don't know, I think this was a play off of the Suzuka circuit. I believe it's titled the fastest turn in motorsports. It's called the 130R. So I thought that was really cool. I mean, you can't really go bad on this. It's really nice and feels nice in hand. I can already imagine shifting on the EP3 how it's going to be. But this is I was really stoked when the Black Friday deals were on everything, because I wanted to get a lot of things, and they did free shipping over 400, so that's one of the 3 items I got. The rest are specifically for EP3, so I mean, if you can't figure out what that means, but I don't know, so let's just stay tuned. Next thing is, oh, what? I did not know that it came with all this. Oh, okay. So you got the Hybrid Racing shift cable, so it comes with the solid bushings inside, and then it looks like they got a bunch of heat wrap that you have to go and apply, and they give you the metal, it's kind of like when you rebuild axles for Hondas, the little things that hold the boost. Then I got the gear selector springs. Did not know that came with it. That's awesome. I was literally gonna buy those. And then the little rod ends and everything. I'm really excited to see how these feel, because I was like, oh my god, it's a good deal for both. So I was like, you know what, I'll just buy both, whatever, dude. I'm hyped. So I mean, if you can't put it together yet, what comes after this, I mean, I don't know what else to say, but it connects to this, the next part. So I'm really hyped. I don't want to take these out yet because I'm not going to install them right now, and I don't want to lose any of the hardware because that would suck. Last piece right here. This is really nice. So it is the Performance Short Shifter. I'm super stoked on this because I know there's a bunch of other people that offer, what is it called? Short shifters. Give me a second. I'm just trying to pick up all this stuff, put it back in the box. Oh, look, more stickers. These are cool. Hybrid logo in white and then black. Super stoked. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. But yeah, what I was going off of, there's a lot of people that make short shifters for the EP3, but there was nothing that really caught my eye, and this was, in my eyes, the best shifter on the market. It was like, just buy this one and you're done. You never have to buy a short shifter. You get rid of the OEM one. And for those that actually follow the build or know anything behind it, it does have a 6-speed, so I had to do the mod where you had to cut the plastic on the OEM shifter. But again, I took full advantage of their Black Friday sale. I'll be doing an install video on this. I'll probably be doing the hybrid racing cables along, so just stay tuned. I know it's gonna be a minute. I'm gonna have to record a lot of content on how to route these and stuff. There's not a lot of room under the dash from what I've seen and how many I've worked on, but yeah, let's get right into this unboxing. Let me get my box cutter. But if anyone who watches this took advantage of the hybrid racing, what did you guys buy? I feel like, you know, it would have been dumb not to take advantage because, I don't know, they were just some killer deals. So, let's see. Alright, so here it is, wrapped in packing material. Comes along with some hardware. I'm guessing this is the hardware to mount it to the, like the skeleton where the 4 bolts that hold the shifter in. It comes with, looks like some Allens and washers. That's pretty cool. Also comes with more stickers, so I've got like a few of these. But also, those that tuned in on their Black Friday Live, I actually won something. I won a hat, and then I also purchased one more thing. So, again, super stoked. I can feel it. Oh god. Look at that. That is nice. That is super nice. Oh my god, this is really nice, guys. Like, I don't know, this is worth the money to me. Like, you can see all the time and like engineering that went up into it. It's such a nice piece. The only thing I do wish is they came in different colors like all the other ones, but I get it, you know, there's not a big market on these. So they're like, you know, just make one color. I mean, I can always take it apart and get it anodized, but I'll rep it how it came. I'm super stoked. Like, it's a really nice piece. It's got a good weight to it. I love like the whole structure skeleton of this thing. It's nice. It's got like a nice coating on it, like a truck bed lining kind of thing. It's a little rugged, and then all the plating on here is super nice. Like, I am super stoked with my purchase. Let's see how the shift knob slides onto here. So this is Delrin. For those that know, it's like kind of like a plastic in a sense. The cool thing is, like, you know, if you park in the sun, it won't get hot like a metal one and burn your hand, but let's see how this looks. Almost there, almost there. Got the shift knob all the way on. Now look at that. Ain't that a beauty? Look at this thing. I'm super stoked. Be prepared. I'll be making some videos coming out for this, but yeah. This is it. This is all I've ordered. I got the short shifter, the cables, and this knob. Boy, this thing looks awesome. All right, well, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate all the followers I've recently got it, or sorry, subscribers. I'm at 94, almost to 100. I don't know, man. It's pretty cool. I didn't know I'd ever get a following besides, you know, the friends who were there to support me, even though they might not be into cars. They still show that support and follow me. Again, like the video if you liked it. If you didn't, sorry, you know, this stuff's all going to be curated toward the EP3 chassis. Thanks for tuning in. That was my unboxing. Woo! See you guys.